You know, you gotta wake up every morning wanting to be the best. And I am the best, and I'm here to tell you about what it's gonna take. There's no off days. You train every day. But sometimes, even when you're the best, you gotta know when to fold them. Face up, cards down, boys. Too much time in the field take its toll on a man. You gotta know when it's time to pass on your knowledge to the next.
Tango down.
Top candidate here, the sniper school. Thinks he's got what it takes to be the best. I'm showing what it's gonna take to be the best out there. Now he's got bloodlines back to Blackfoot Crow feet up in Alberta. Doesn't like shoes. Now he knows what it takes to get an A on the sniper school. What to eat, what not to eat when you're in the field. What to do, what not to do. Inspect him. Make sure he's up to the task. Now he shoots straighter than Patrick Mahomes. But if you want to build the best sniper, first you got to break down the man. Build him back up. Let him see what it is to walk a mile in my pants. Now I can't stress this enough. When you're in the field, save everything. Save your brass. Save your feces. You gotta save your pee. Everything is a commodity. You know, being the best sniper ain't always about looking through a scope, taking that shot at that target 100 yards away. Sometimes you gotta get in close, get dirty. It gets personal. You gotta smell a man, smell what that man's made of. You gotta confirm the kill. He's dead. Now, a good sniper only fears two things: Nancy Pelosi and missing the shot. If you can conquer one or two of those things, if you can conquer your fears, you might have what it takes. But hell, this ain't my story. It's a story of the best sniper, part 2.
Check. The grills in my mouth double as a freezer. The grills in my mouth double as a freezer. The grills in my mouth double as a freezer. The grills in my mouth double as a